Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Confluence roadmap. To begin, open your Confluence overview page. This is the main starting point where you can access your workspace tools and create new content. Once you're on the overview screen, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. This menu contains additional options related to your space, but some items may be lower down and not immediately visible. Scroll down through the left navigation until you find the More option. If your menu looks slightly different, take your time and look carefully, since navigation layouts can vary a little depending on your Confluence setup. When you locate More, click it to expand the additional actions available for the space. From the menu that appears, select Template. This will take you to the template library, where Confluence provides a range of pre-built page formats you can use to speed up your work. Templates are especially useful when you want a page structure that's already designed for a specific purpose, such as planning, documentation, or reporting. Once you're in the template area, click on the search icon. Using search is the quickest way to locate the exact template you need, especially if there are many options displayed on the page. In the search field, type roadmap. As you enter the term, Confluence will begin filtering the available templates to show matching results. When the roadmap template appears, click on it to open the template preview. This is a helpful step because it lets you confirm you've selected the right layout before creating your page. A roadmap template is designed to help organize plans, timelines, and upcoming work in a clear, structured format, making it easier for teams to align on priorities and progress. After reviewing the template, click Use Template. This will open a new page based on the roadmap format, giving you a ready-made starting point for building out your plan. From there, you can customize the content to match your project, team goals, or timeline. As a quick tip, once the page opens, it's a good idea to review the default sections before making edits, so you understand how the roadmap is structured. This can save time and help you keep your page organized from the start. That's it. You've now successfully created a Confluence roadmap using a built-in template, making it easier to plan and present your work in a consistent and professional way.